In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation in Jira Service Management. Automation is a great way to reduce repetitive manual work in your service project. Instead of handling the same tasks over and over, you can create rules that automatically respond to certain events, apply logic, and take action for you. This can help your team stay consistent, save time, and improve response speed. To get started, open your service project from the sidebar. Once you're inside the correct project, click Project Settings. In the Settings area, select Automation. This is where you'll create and manage rules for that specific service project. Next, click Create Rule. Jira automation rules are built in a simple flow. Something happens, the rule checks whether it should continue, and then it performs one or more actions. The first thing you'll need to choose is a trigger, which tells Jira when the automation should begin. Click Add Trigger, then select the trigger you want for your automation. Some common triggers include request created, issue updated, comment added, status changed, and scheduled. For example, if you want the rule to run every time a new support request comes in, request created would be a good choice. If you want it to react whenever someone updates an issue, then issue updated may make more sense. After selecting your trigger, click Save. Once your trigger is set, you can add conditions if needed. Conditions are optional, but they're very useful when you only want the rule to run in specific situations. Click Add Condition, then define when the rule should run. For example, you might want the automation to continue only if the request type is IT support, the priority is high, and the status is open. This helps prevent the rule from acting on every request and keeps your automation focused and accurate. After that, it's time to add actions. Click Add Action, then choose one or more actions for Jira to perform. Common actions include assigning the request, transitioning the status, sending an email, adding a comment, updating the priority, or creating a linked issue. You can combine actions depending on the outcome you want. For instance, a rule could assign a request to a team member and then add an internal comment to document what happened. When everything looks right, save and enable the rule. Click Save, enter a rule name, and make sure it's turned on so it can begin running. It's a good idea to give your rule a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, especially if your project uses multiple automations. That's how to use automation in Jira Service Management. Once you start building rules, you'll find plenty of ways to make your service workflows faster, smarter, and easier to